Welcome to Pitstop Precision, the art of automotive perfection. Are you ready for a deep dive into the intricate world of car engine maintenance? We're here to guide you through it all, step by step, ensuring your ride runs smoother, lasts longer, and performs better. From the crucial role of engine oil to the significance of your timing belt, we'll uncover the secrets that keep your engine purring. So buckle up, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, horsepower. Stay tuned and let's get this engine started. Today, we're diving deep under the hood, exploring the art and science of car engine maintenance. So buckle up. It's time to get our hands dirty. First up, engine oil. Think of it as the lifeblood of your car. It keeps everything running smoothly, reducing friction and preventing overheating. Without regular oil changes, your engine can seize up, leading to costly repairs. So make sure to change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, depending on the type of oil and your vehicle's manufacturer recommendations. Next, we turn our attention to the timing belt. This unsung hero synchronizes the rotation of the crankshaft and the camshaft, ensuring each cylinder fires at the right time. A faulty timing belt can cause your engine to run poorly or not at all. It's recommended to replace this critical component every 60 to 100,000 miles. Now on to spark plugs. These tiny dynamos ignite the air-fuel mixture in your engine's combustion chamber. Worn-out spark plugs can decrease fuel efficiency, reduce engine performance, and even cause engine misfire. Generally, spark plugs should be replaced every 30,000 miles, but check your vehicle's manual to be sure. The air filter, another crucial component, traps dust and debris, preventing them from entering your engine. A clogged air filter can reduce engine performance and fuel economy. Best practice is to replace the air filter every 12,000 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. Lastly, let's talk about the coolant. It's the unsung hero that prevents your engine from overheating or freezing. The coolant should be flushed and replaced every 2 years or every 30,000 miles. And there you have it, a quick but comprehensive guide to regular engine maintenance. We've covered the importance of regular oil changes, timing belt replacement, spark plug upkeep, air filter maintenance, and coolant system care. Remember, a well-maintained engine is more fuel efficient, performs better, and lasts longer. So take care of your engine and it'll take care of you. Until next time, keep those engines purring and stay precision perfect.